I'm Shauna with Valkeryie Consulting, and today I'm going to walk you through the steps to create a very stellar marketing campaign from start to finish. What we're going to do is use our mind map that we've created, and this is going to start with the latest promotion that we're running, which is the free blog setup. So what we've done here is created the concept. Then from concept, the next thing that you really need to do is set your goals. So what are the goals that we set forth for this campaign? Well, they're pretty simple. We want to grow our list by 300 subscribers, create some new opportunities for affiliate sales, create opportunities for upsells, create referral opportunities, obtain new high-paying clients, and we've also projected our revenues based on the different affiliate commissions and things that we've done. Now that all sounds great, right? But ultimately what we have to do is figure out how we're going to get there. So that's the next step in this process. We're going to talk about some of the tools that we use exclusively here at Valkeryie Consulting, and this is why, boys and girls, we get paid the big bucks to do what we do. So tools. One of the things that I use is lead pages. It's a great way to do lead capture and create different promotions for just about anything that you want. So one of the task items that we had to do for this particular promotion was create a lead page and a thank you page. Simple, right? The next thing we use is Get Response. That's our CRM, our customer relationship management tool, and or email follow-up tool. This is a must-have for all businesses, and I'm just showing you what we use. There's other things on the market out there, but I found personally that Get Response gets me the results that I want. It gives me tracking analytics. It gives me just tons of different options on there. So what are we doing with Get Response? Well, we are going to capture emails from lead pages and put that into our CRM. Simple enough. We are creating an email follow-up campaign with 7 to 10 emails. So what we do before we even launch a marketing campaign is draft the different follow-up emails that we're using. So here's just some of the concepts that we've used for the follow-up emails so that we have a plan and a system in place. This is so imperative, and this is one thing that a lot of you small business owners are really missing. So I'm giving this to you just as an idea of what you can do with it, or rather what you need to do with it. So the next thing that we're going to focus on, the next tool that I use, is something called 17 Hats. This is fantastic for freelancers. It allows you to really automate your workflow. It allows you to do a bunch of different things. So this is part of our tools that we're using in our strategy, where we're going to create a workflow around our promotion and then also create invoice items and upsells around the promotion. So we're not just selling one thing. We're not just doing a marketing campaign around one thing. We're marketing our affiliate relationships. We're marketing upsells for things that we do. We're marketing around the clock, just in a million different ways that most of y'all are not thinking of on your own. That's why you hire us, so that we can help you do this. So now let's get down to the nitty-gritty of it, because this is what's going to take up the bulk of this video. This is really going to be strategy. You have to have a marketing strategy. It is so important to have. You cannot miss out on this. So what you're going to need to do with your marketing strategy is, first off, build your landing page. So when I looked at building a landing page for this promotion, I looked at the elements that I wanted to use in this promotion. So what did I use? A video introduction, a form that integrates with Get Response, an FAQ section for everybody to go in and ask the questions that they want, social media share options, social media comments, which is a dynamic plugin. This allows people to see what the conversation on social is whenever they're commenting on this page, which is pretty cool, and it is an element that you can do if you have a little bit of programming background. If you don't, again, that's why people hire us. I also selected very carefully the affiliate links that we're going to use. So some of the affiliate links that we're using for this particular promotion will be Bluehost, because we do have an affiliate partnership with them. We use them ourselves. They're fantastic. We're going to use domain name purchase sites, because this is part of our promotion that you do have to purchase a domain name if you want us to set up your website. And there's tons of different domain purchase sites out there that we're using via ShareASale and a couple other options. So it definitely makes a big difference there. We're using Get Response, which we're also affiliates with, even though we use their product. I am a big advocate, if I'm going to do affiliate marketing, of only doing affiliate marketing with programs either I've used or that I sincerely believe in. because passion is what sells, and I'm not really selling you anything that I'm not using myself. I'm giving you good marketing tools. Yes, you have to pay for them, but they're so worth it. I'm also talking about different strategies where we can upgrade in our email campaign and even on our landing page, different services on our site. So let's say somebody has a blog and they have hosting already and they're not going to sign up for our promotion with Bluehost. Okay, cool. We'll still do a setup fee with them, but it's got to be exactly the same amount that we would make if we were signing them up with Bluehost, because with Bluehost, as part of our free blog promotion, somebody has to sign up for new hosting with Bluehost. So $97 is our affiliate commission. So if somebody out there wants us to go in and set up their website, their WordPress blog, make it fantastic, give them a premium theme for free. I mean, there's tons of cool stuff we're doing with this promotion that nobody else is doing. But if they want all this stuff, which is honestly over $700 worth of value, if they want all this, they're going to have to fork over $97 if they don't want to change the host, because it does cost us time and money to go in and do this. So we've figured out a way to be able to bring our consumer base a service that we offer for free by using our affiliate relationships. Again, I always say think bigger. Y'all don't think big enough. This is how I do it. I know my shit, honest to God. So then I have other things on there where we have services on our site where I have our email campaigns already pre-written, and I'll just give you a preview. I mean, I sit here in Microsoft Word and I pre-craft all of our email campaigns so that they go direct into an autoresponder. I don't mess around with that. So it's something you really have to do on the front end. You can't just launch a blog or launch a promotion and do this on the back end. Get it all done on the front end if you want to be efficient. So we have services on our sites, create forms and 17 hats for all of the different upsells and services that I'm promoting in the follow-up emails, an invoice with the fee. All of this in my business, guys, is automated. I don't have to touch a damn thing. It's all automated. That's what I want to get you to in your business, to where so much of it is automated, so much of it is artificial intelligence, that you're only really having to interface with clients when you're actually doing a transaction with them. Moving them through the prospecting process or sales funnel should be something that's automated. So this is one of the things that we do as a company. We help you automate. Marketing companies in San Antonio, guys, are not doing this shit. We're the only ones who are doing it. So seriously, listen to me when I'm talking to you about this. We aren't nationally recognized for no reason. This is why we're nationally recognized, because we know our shit. We create forms and 17 hats and invoice with fees. We connect to Stripe as a payment gateway so that it's very easy for your customers to just go in, order something, boom, boom, checkout, done. We're creating different links to the support packages that we offer as a company. And I have those programs in 17 hats, and you can go in and just check a box. Okay, I want this support package, or I want the, basic or the more advanced or the enterprise. Whatever it is you need, you've got it. And I've automatically got it set up to where your contract is auto-generated based on the information you select, as well as your quote, as well as your invoice for payment. So once all that's done, I don't have to touch anything. I don't have to hire anybody to do it. It's just all done. It's automated for me, which I love. So I have it all set up. Our payment gateway, it goes direct into our business banking account. I don't have to touch a credit card. I don't have to ask a customer for a credit card. It's all done securely. It's all very, very safe, and it's all done through another person's payment gateway so that we're not responsible for fraud. We're protected as a company from fraud. So again, when we're talking business consulting, we go in, we dissect every single element of where your business is going wrong, and I tell you how to fix it. Whether it is from your banking to your marketing to whatever it is you're doing, we're giving you basic business coaching and consulting, and we're showing you how to do all of this and how to do it correctly. So moving on to the next thing, we've got emails that we have to create for support in our Bluehost. So what I do is I create an email account that I can create an autoresponder to. If somebody has a question or problem, it links automatically to that, so I can have the right person on the right team get to the right email. So, it's just something simple that we do, but it makes such a difference, again, to do this on the front end. Follow-up campaigns. We set up an email campaign and an autoresponder. And what this is whenever somebody goes in and does something, I'm going to say on day one, they get this email. And then 10 days after that, they're going to get another email. And then 5 days after that, they're going to get another email. Whatever time frame you use. Again, as a consulting company, we tell you based on your consumer base and based on your demographics who this is. That's part of marketing. That's part of the shit that nobody else is doing. So again, this is why we get a lot of really good clients, because we're the only people who know how to actually do this. We're the only company that really has the tech to be able to do this as well, because you don't have other marketing companies, I'm sorry guys, with CEOs or CFOs or even information officers who have a technical background. With Valkeryie Consulting, you do. I have a huge technical background. Everybody on my team has a technical background. That is what sets us apart. We understand tech better than anybody else. So it really helps us help our customers a lot better. So we're creating landing pages for the following. We're connecting Stripe as a buy now payment gateway. We're setting up the affiliate links in the follow-up campaign emails. We're creating affiliate links and then putting that into the campaigns. And we work with different affiliate banks to do this. Again, nobody else is doing this, and I do not understand why, because you're able to make money hand over fist. You're able to promote different things and make commissions from different sellers, even from freaking Amazon, guys. So I don't know what the problem is. I don't know where the disconnect is happening, but this is what we do. And then we also have it programmed to where everybody on our email list gets an automated, we don't have to touch it. It's automated to where it will archive all of our blog posts for the week and send it out to everybody automatically. So it feels like we're personally touching everybody, but we really don't have to. And it makes our job so much easier, and it makes your job so much easier when you hire us to do all this for you. Then we move on to social promotion, and this is where it gets a little dicey, because social, the entire point of social is to bring people back to your website. So we're going to run promotional links on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn using our proprietary software. Software you can't get anywhere else. We're the only people who have it. It's a franchise that I bought a while ago because I saw a lot of potential with it, and it has huge potential. We go in, we schedule those posts in advance, we can measure it, we've got the analytics, we have all the tools that we need, which is fantastic. We can even build a shopping cart direct on somebody's Facebook page, so it's really cool. We're going to take out a Facebook ad, timed ad, because I'm only running this promotion for 3 days, so I had to put a lot of thought into it in advance, but this much thought should go into any promotion. We're going to take out a Twitter ad, which will be a timed ad as well. Then I'm going to create collateral on Instagram and post it again using scheduling software. So the next thing and the last thing we're going to do, because I'm running out of time, case study. We're going to use the materials that we utilized from this particular promotion to do a case study. And we're going to turn that case study into a downloadable. And guess what? That downloadable, that PDF, that ebook, whatever we're going to turn it into, is going to be out there for people to go in and give us their email address, again, to build our list, because your money is in your list, so then they can download it and download the case study and see the actual results. Because I often say people lie, numbers don't. So I like to give you guys something that is really by the numbers. So we create a video of the case study, then we create a landing page to download the case study, and a follow-up campaign for hiring us and opportunities, as well as an infographic around case study stats, and then we repurpose that into a blog. And guess what, boys and girls? It works for every single industry, and it works every single time. So if you have questions, please post them in the comments section below. We will personally get back to you. Otherwise, stay tuned for this promotion, because it is going to be huge. And peace.